Hey, what's going on, traders? This is Mike with Tactical Traders doing some end of the day scans today on November the 23rd, 2020. And I am currently looking at ticker symbol IDEX on the daily chart over the past year of price history. So I'm going to be going over the chart, breaking down some technical areas and some things to look into for the next coming days and weeks to make a profitable bullish trade. The reason why I say bullish is because this is a penny stock and this should always be traded with extreme caution. Also, I never recommend shorting penny stocks because of moves like this it had back in May and June. Massive moves that can really blow up your account if you're just trying to short these penny stocks. Now, anyways, as you can see, over the entire year, it's been pretty much flat for the price history, but when it does move, it moves fast and quick. So let's get into a smaller time frame. Let's look at an intraday time frame. We're looking at the 10-day, 10-minute right here. And as you can see, we had that nice gap up with an increase in volume behind it. Now, the great thing about this chart, and the thing I really like about it, is it did have a huge run up to 288 and did pull back. But on that pullback, it pretty much saved most of its gains and went sideways. Now, this sideways movement to me is more of a consolidating fashion, meaning it's going to be consolidating sideways, looking for the support and the strength to carry it up to the next leg up to higher gains. All right, so we're going to just draw up some areas of support and resistance and go through that briefly. All right, so right here we have the resistance. Let's say we're going to call it even right around, we're going to say right here, the 275. And yes, it did go up higher over here, but right overall, I'm going to say during the most part of this time, it did trade below 275. Then the price did pull back to a low of 220, but over the most part, you can see that multiple wicks stopped right here, right around the 243 area. This big move here being the bull pull. And now we have a bull pull and bull flag. Now, I'm expecting the price to consolidate in this sideways area, eventually going up and testing this top yellow as resistance. Now, when it goes up and does test this yellow line of resistance, we're going to be watching a volume. Volume is going to be key. We're going to want to see an increase of volume. That increase of volume is going to show me that the bulls have a lot of momentum and a lot of strength behind the move. Going up past 280, that's where I would say go for a breakout long. And that breakout long could go pretty far, pretty fast, as you can see from the past year history. Now, if you're trying to judge the range that this can move on, a good way to judge the range is looking at the past move. The good way of looking at past moves for bull flag breakouts is looking at the pull itself in the consolidating one that's currently happening. Meaning this 280 to 205. So we're going to say 75-cent move. We're going to be looking for a 75-cent move past 280, giving us roughly a price target of at least 350. Now, that price target of 350, it doesn't have to be the final price target. That could always be your first profit-taking area, meaning you can take 20%, 30%, or even half of your position size off, locking in some gains, and then leaving the rest to continue to go on to more bigger and future gains in this ticker IDEX. All right, traders, this was the quick breakdown of the chart currently. Hope you like this video. If you do, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. And until next time, stay profitable.